Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you Today I want to talk about puff pastry dough. It can be somewhat time consuming, however, once you have the right ingredients and follow the method that I'm showing you, I guarantee you, you would be able to make this type of pastry. Before we do that, I want to talk about the pastry margarine itself. Let's go and do that now. Now, can I make pastries with these types of fat? Yes. However, when it comes to puff pastry, you need the proper fat to use. The best fat to use is this. The reason why this margarine is better than these is because it has a higher concentration of water. And where water is, steam is, and steam is a leavening agent for pastries. Besides this pastry margarine having more water than these two, it is also much more stable to work with, which is very important when you are laminating the dough with the fat. The first thing that I'm going to do is make the dough. After that, I'm going to show you the lamination process of the fat and the dough. Now that the dough has been made, the next step is to show you how to laminate. To do that, I have a piece of paper to explain. So follow me down here. No, not up here, down here. Come on, down right here. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go to school. Let's say this is the dough here, and I would section it out. So we would call over here left, yeah, center, and right. Got that? Process would be to put, say, 3/4 of the dough in. Okay, so let's talk about counting the layers. Primarily, a puff pastry dough would have 1,000+ layers. So let's see how we're going to do that. What you saw I did was I put the left inside, or the bottom, and I put the right on top. So now we have 1, 2, 3 layers. See that? Okay. Now, what I did, I turned the dough that was like this. I turn it 90 degrees, and I always allow this lip to laugh at the outside, or what I like to tell students, let it laugh at your enemy, whoever that is. Don't call no names. And once I turn the dough 90 degrees and allow the lip to face the outside, once we roll this out now, this now becomes 3 layers. However, when I take my right now and put it at the bottom and my left on top, and I roll this out, how much layers do you think I have now? I have 9 layers. After that, we would go again, do a fold. Now the left goes at the bottom, right on top, and we have 9 by 9 by 9, and that is 27. Then I take that and I roll it out, and we do it a fold again, and it will be 27 by 27 by 27. I would start with my left on top, right at the bottom. Then I would go to right on top, left at the bottom, and we will repeat that: left, right, right, left, left, right. So when you count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So traditionally, a puff pastry would have 7 turns, and in those 7 turns, I go left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, and repeat that going down until I reach 7. Also, after every turn, there would be 30 minutes rest. You would take the dough, cling it, and place that in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Once that is done, you take it out and you do another turn, and then you do 30 rest minutes. So I have now finished my last fold on the puff pastry dough. This dough have to rest at least 24 hours before you use it. And this is the beginning of the puff pastry series part 1. From this dough, I will be making savory and sweet puff pastry items, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. I'm out.